How to close or remove business hours from WhatsApp Business on Android. This tutorial shows you how to turn off or delete your business hours settings in WhatsApp Business. First, open WhatsApp Business on your Android device. Tap on the three dots at the top right. From there, tap on Settings. From there, tap on Business Profile. After that, scroll down until you see the Business Hours section. In the next step, tap on Business Hours to open the settings. From there, you will see the hours currently set for each day of the week. Once done, tap on Appointments Only and select Next after that. Tap on the toggle at the top to turn off business hours completely. Following this, if you want to remove hours for specific days, instead tap on the day and set it to Closed. From here, go through each day you want to close and set them to closed individually. At this stage, once you've made all your changes, tap on Save to confirm. Finally, go back to your business profile and confirm that the business hours are no longer showing or have been updated correctly. And that's it. If this guide helped you close or remove business hours from WhatsApp Business, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.